Make a great choice today with the 2020 Silverado 2500HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power retractable mirrors, power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, remote power door locks, skid plates, engine block heater, Bluetooth, technology package, heated steering wheel, cruise control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.